A warm welcome to all. In today's tutorial, we're excited to delve into the powerful capabilities of elDoc for online document collaboration. Specifically, we'll guide you through the process of simultaneous document editing, where multiple users can collaboratively work on the same document in real time. Let's begin by heading to the File Management section. From there, we'll select a document that we want two users to edit simultaneously. Before proceeding, let's ensure that both of these users have the necessary access rights to edit the document. Once everything is configured, we'll open the chosen document in two separate browser windows. In each window, we'll log in using the distinct user accounts. This will allow us to witness firsthand how real-time online collaboration seamlessly unfolds as both users work together on the same document. Indeed, it's evident that both users can collaborate seamlessly and edit the document simultaneously. Any changes made by one user are instantly visible to the other in real time. Moreover, users can facilitate communication through the real-time chat feature, enhancing the collaborative process. Chat messages are exchanged in real time as well. After users complete their editing, you can easily track the edit history and versions. To do this, go to the document and click on the See History button. This will display the revisions made to the document, along with timestamps. If necessary, you can revert to a previous version or restore a specific one. Online document collaboration significantly enhances efficiency in business operations. Discover the benefits firsthand by claiming your elDoc free trial now.